Hello friends and potential friends. Well, I'm back in the kitchen again in front of my newly restored old-timer stove, and I'm getting ready to put it to the test, thinking about making some jelly. I know, I've mentioned I've got a bunch of tomatoes in the freezer I need to process, but not quite ready to do that because something else came along. I was watching some videos a few days ago. Noticed my friend Peanut over at Peanut's Peppers channel is making some pineapple pepper jelly. Jam, really, I guess. And then I was at the grocery store the other day, and this caught my eye. Nice and ripe and ready to go. So I just couldn't resist. But right at the moment, I just wanted to point something out to Peanut. I saw how you planted your the pineapples that you cut up, and I wanted to show you a little trick I learned a couple years ago. I wish I could remember where I learned this. I'd like to give them credit for it, but I don't remember, so I'm just going to show you the trick and hope that the people that originated it happen to stumble across it and get the proper credit for it. So let's get into it. When I first started growing pineapples from the ones I buy at the store, I used to chop the top off, put that whole top in a jar of water and wait for it to grow roots. Then I learned this new technique. Basically, you just take your pineapple, grab hold of the top like so, and twist the top off. That's ready to eat now. Then you take that top and you start peeling the leaves off of the bottom of it. Sometimes you have to move them back and forth to get them to peel well. But you just start going around and round and round, peeling off the leaves. Like so. And eventually, you'll start to see these little growths under the leaves. Start to look almost like worms. That should be enough. You see these little, I hope you can see them. Little tiny growths. There's some there. There's a good one, it looks like. So then you take this whole thing and you just put it in a jar of water. Make sure there's plenty of water in there. I'll be putting this out in the lab, and in a week or two I should have some roots growing in there. Then it'll be ready to put in the ground. Eliminates all the fuss of dealing with the very top of the pineapple, which in my experience tends to get a little bit funky and moldy from time to time after it's been in the water for a while. This way I don't have to deal with that problem, and it seems to work for me. Give it a try. And incidentally, as I said, that technique does work. That's how I grew this guy. Maybe I'll go back and once that one ripens up, I'll go back and refresh the old video I did a few years ago showing this technique. I'm just adding to the plantation. Hope this helps somebody. And I'll see you on the next one.